didn't really look close. Like,
Yeah, but I moved it in between. Yeah. I like to find that blue line.
everyone. We caught up with Morris Helpin, and he is the treasurer of the Lehigh Valley Model A Club. Well, thank you for inviting us today.
Oh, you're welcome. Glad you could make it.
Yes, and we are here at the Goodwill Fire Company in Trexlertown for the annual Steve Ryan Memorial Model A Car Show. Well, the weather got us.
Yes,
but
it did.
I understand you had a really nice turnout before the rains came.
Yes, we were amazed. The flea market people were here bright and early. We had 26 vendors, which was nice. And normally we have 100 Model A's at least, but we only had about 28 Model A's today.
Okay. All right. And I understand that you get vehicles from different states?
Yes, we got clubs that come from New York. They'll come down in groups of 7 or 5 from New Jersey. We have some also that comes from Maryland. We have some people that did come up from Maryland, not with the whole club. So they come from all over. We have one person that came down from New York with a double-A pickup truck, which was nice.
Okay, good. All right, tell us a little bit about the Lehigh Valley Model A Club.
Well, the Model A Club started about 50 years ago. I am one of the 10 original people that, when the club started, we used to meet every Friday night at Greg Yandy's place up in Slayton. And then our meetings were Friday nights or tech sessions and that there. So, and as the club grew, we changed to different dates, like a Saturday or a Sunday. It depends who was going to host it. So we rotate the club every month to a different spot, you know, so it's friendly for everybody that might be coming 30 miles or 40 miles. You know, if they want to volunteer to have the meet at their house, we were glad to come there. And if they got a problem with their car, we're willing to come down there. And we also, at the same time after the meeting, we'll have a tech section and try to fix the car with them.
Okay, very good. All right, if we want to find out more information about your club, how can we do that?
Oh, you can go to our website. It's the Lehigh Valley Model A Club in Allentown, PA. And also, if you go up in Facebook, it's just called Lehigh Valley Model A Club.
Okay, right, because, hey, if you're a Model A enthusiast, or maybe you're an owner, and what's
Or
nice,
you like to have one.
there you go. All right, because it's good, because like you were saying earlier, we were talking more about off camera too. It's like, it's nice about the club, right?
Right,
You can,
right.
you know, do troubleshooting, pick people's brains for ideas,
Right.
and so on.
Like if we go to an event, we normally try to get at least 12 people together. So each of us carries a different part, spare part in the car. Someone that carries fan belt, someone will carry a starter, someone will have gasoline, points, condenser. We also carry little spare cans of gasoline in case anybody breaks down, that we can keep going to get to the next location.
Okay, good. Well, thank you very much. Thank you
Oh,
for
you're welcome.
inviting us.
Well,
and
thank you for coming.
We'll have to catch up to you again on a dry day.
Sounds good.
Wow, look at this fabulous restored fire truck. Tell us about it.
This was a project Jesse and Herb from our club was seen this truck being put into a garage and it wasn't restored, and they stopped and they started to Gary, which is the chief of the firehouse here, and they started to say, hey, we could help you get this truck running and looking better. And so it came to be a project for the Lehigh Valley Model A Club. So we would come Sunday afternoon or somewhat Sunday morning, mid-morning, and we would work on the fire truck. And everybody from the club came. We had about maybe 20 people each time that came. Like, we have one of our club members took all the wheels home because he does big trucks, restores trucks, and he sandblasted them and primed them up. Someone took home the transmission, rebuilt the transmission. The engine was shot in the truck, and Jesse was able to find someone from the club to donate the engine, and we kind of rebuilt the engine for them. The rear end was rebuilt. The brakes, we're always fussy about the brakes. We did all the brakes on and stuff like that. And I took home the light and polished that up, stuff like that. Someone took home the steering box because he specialized in rebuilding the steering box. So we took everybody took a part home and redid it, and then that Sunday morning or afternoon came and we started putting that part back together. Now we did not do the paint job because they had some company says, hey, they're willing to donate some money, and they had some money in and they had it professionally done by a company in New Jersey to paint the truck to make it look original with all the gold leaf in it.
Wow, that is really nice. Wow. Okay, great. And if any of our viewers were here for 100th anniversary of the fire company, this truck was in the parade.
Yes, that's correct. Yes, it goes in parade every once in a while. And we also sometimes use it for funerals. We're a fire truck member.
Wow, there you go. All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, we want to thank the Goodwill Fire Company here in Trexlertown. Thank you to the Lehigh Valley Model A Club for inviting us. Thank you to all the vendors and the car exhibitors and everyone in attendance who came to watch and look at the vehicles today.
I'm Jason Ritter.
And I'm Jim Ritter.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Join us next time as we go out and about.